Welcome back again on my YouTube channel, guys. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain for you indicators found on Coinmarketcap. Now this is episode 1. We shall be uploading all the episodes explaining about indicators found on Coinmarketcap. Now for those who haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the Crypto Lives Coin YouTube channel. I think this is the right moment for you to subscribe to this channel because a lot of content is still coming. We want you to understand how the crypto market works. We want you to understand where cryptocurrency is coming from, where are they at the moment, and where are they going in the nearby future. So I think this is the right time for you to sit down and focus. Watch this video till to the end. After watching this video, please do share this video to your friend also to learn what you have learned from this video, and also recommend him to also subscribe. That's how we are going to build this YouTube channel to an anonymous number. I think we're together, guys. So we do recommend you to like this video and also subscribe. Without wasting time, without brief introduction, I think let me start with my notes here. Topic of today is indicators found on Coinmarketcap. The first term or indicator found on CoinMarketCap, we will have what we call market cap of a coin. Now, market cap of a coin is calculated using a formula. Market cap is equal to total circulating supply. The circulating supply is price of each coin. In other words, it is a product of a coin's circulating supply and price of each coin. Now, circulating supply, this is the amount of coins which are being bought by the people who are holding that particular currency. So if you look at Bitcoin, it's made over 21 million coins, but when you focus on the circulation, there are over 19 million coins in circulation. So that means for you to get the market capitalization of that particular coin, you get the circulating supply, you multiply it by the current market price of that cryptocurrency. That's where we get what we call market capitalization of a particular coin. Market capitalization is the amount of money being invested in that currency ever since they made it or ever since it became public. Let me hope we are together. Let me continue. Note, prices of cryptocurrencies are determined by the demand and supply of a cryptocurrency. That the exchange where it is traded, that's why the price is different, and every exchange, it is not determined by an individual or by any mathematical formula. Let me repeat this. Note, prices of cryptocurrencies are determined by demand and supply. Why demand and supply? The amount of coins being produced by the system of blockchain, you find the amount of coins, the number is fixed. You cannot compare it to the number of people who would like to invest that in that currency. That's where the demand is created from. And you find the supply of these coins is a little bit fixed. Remember, if the system produces 21 million coins, there is no way they are going to add on that amount. That is the amount being produced by the system, unless making another cryptocurrency. But that original one which is being made, there is nothing like adding more on that float. So I want you to differentiate or understand what we mean by talking about demand and supply in cryptocurrency. Of that cryptocurrency, that the exchange where it is traded, that's why the price is different at every exchange. It is not determined by an individual or by any mathematical formula. So due to the demand and supply for every exchanges, and also due to the users who signed up with that particular exchange, that's where you also find some exchanges they differ from prices. You find Bitcoin is on 20,000 on BINANCE, but you find Bitcoin on Huobi is on 21,000 US dollars. So prices differ on different exchanges because of demand and supply. the amount of money being traded by that particular exchange, it can be different from the amount of money being traded on another exchange. Going ahead with our notes, we have what we call market capitalization. Is the amount of money that was invested in that particular currency since it was created. When you look on the chart of Bitcoin, you'll find Bitcoin has over 400 billion US dollars being invested in it ever since it became public. So that is a lot of money. Now you'll also be comparing to other cryptocurrencies which you invest in. Go on Coinmarketcap, look in the column of market cap. They're going to show you the market capitalization of each currency. So click on that currency, scroll down, get the circulating supply of that currency, then multiply it with the market capitalization of that particular currency. That's where you will get the answer. Multiply it, I mean, by the current market price of that cryptocurrency. There you will get the answer, which will be the market capitalization. Another thing is called price. Is the price of the currency that particular period in dollars. If I focus on Bitcoin, if I try to go to Coinmarketcap, let me try loading Coinmarketcap. At the moment, you can find Coinmarketcap. The price of Bitcoin, it can be around, I left it around 22,300 US dollars. So this price keeps on changing due, like I've told you, due to the demand and supply. I'm going to type in Coinmarketcap, enter. Now I'm waiting for it to load. After, I'm going to scroll down. Now you can see the price of Bitcoin is 22,238. It has changed. So that's what I'm trying to explain for you, that there is a lot of demand and supply in the market at the moment. So Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies which are so volatile. Now, another thing on our list is volume stroke 24 hours. Is the amount of money invested in that currency in 24 hours or in one day. When you go on CoinMarketCap and you focus on volume in 24 hours, we can see this is 647 billion dollars invested in only Bitcoin in every 24 hours. Now, I think you are trying to get my point. We have over 47 billion dollars being stacked in Bitcoin per day. So this is huge, or it's a lot of money, guys. 47 billion dollars is a lot of money. On our list, the next thing is circulating supply. Circulating supply is the amount of coins that are being owned by the people, or the amount of coins in circulation. Like I've told you, now when we click on Bitcoin, we want to know what is the circulating supply of Bitcoin. Now I can see here the circulating supply of Bitcoin is 19,149,231. The amount of Bitcoin in circulation is 19 million coins. It's here. You go tap on any cryptocurrency you want. After scrolling down, they are going to show you here the circulating supply. Let me try to highlight it. So that is our circulating supply, and this is the amount of coins in this circulation, which is 19 million coins. Let me hope, guys, we are together. And second last thing on our point is change in 24 hours. Now this is a percentage wise. Is the change in percentage of a cryptocurrency. When you go back to CoinMarketCap, we would like to see what is the overall change of Bitcoin in percentage. We can see in the last 7 days Bitcoin was just gaining value, so it moved over 12.57%. In 24 hours it has moved over 1.93%. In the last 1 hour it has moved over 0.25%. So at the moment Bitcoin is not doing bad. I can see it's clearly moving its direction. Yeah, because people are a little bit making some good money, because if you compare 12% on Bitcoin, that is an increasement of over like 30,000 US dollars per coin. So that is a huge gain from any investment you could make in Bitcoin. Okay, in the last week, because this is the amount or the percentage in the last 7 days. On our list is the total supply. Total supply is the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of the cryptocurrency. It is anonymous to the fully diluted shares in the stock market. If this data has not been submitted by the project or verified by the CMC team, maximum supply shows. Now when you go to the total supply, let me go back here. When you go back to the total supply of Bitcoin, you can see it is 19 million coins. Now this is our total supply of Bitcoin, 19 million coins. When you come back to our notes and you see the maximum supply. Now total supply is different from the maximum supply, so I want you to differentiate this. The maximum supply is the amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of a cryptocurrency. It is also indicated here. Oh, sorry. It is also indicated here. Now this is the maximum supply of Bitcoin. Is the amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of a cryptocurrency. So which is 21 million coins. Now 21 million coins is the amount or float which was created by the owner of Bitcoin, which is Satoshi Nakamoto. They sat down and created a float worth 21 million coins of Bitcoin. So I think that's all we had for you today, guys. We are trying to break down all these terms which are found on Coinmarketcap to try to explain more for you not to be confused when you approach Coinmarketcap, because Coinmarketcap has a lot of features which a trader can use to make profit in the crypto market. So if you maximize or if you use CoinMarketCap as your head tool, you can be profitable for a while, because it can give you both technical and fundamental analysis. Now I think this marks to the end of this video. We thank you all for those who have made it till to the end of this video. I think you have learned a lot from our content, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video if you haven't. Also share this video to other members for them also to learn, and we create the biggest community in the crypto industry.